Hello friends, I am Karthikesh. In this video we are going to see about how to control brushless motor using Arduino. If you want this video in Tamil version, you may check in description. Let's go. Components required to make this project. First we need an Arduino Uno board or either Arduino Nano. Next a brushless motor. Next, we need brushless motor ESC. And one potential meter. At last, we need 3 male-to-male jumper wires to connect ESC module to Arduino. For making a clean and nice project, we need to keep our components in a perfect place. So here we want to fix the clamp in brushless motor to keep the brushless motor in standby manner. So I have screwed it. Next we want to connect the brushless motor to the ESC module which is provided. After connecting the ESC module to brushless motor, next we will move on to the pins of ESC to Arduino Uno board. First, we need to connect the 3 male-to-male jumper wires to the ESC module of output pins and positive pin and negative pins. To show you that whether the brushless motor is rotating or not. So in this case, I've kept a foam board which is I have made like a propeller and make a hole and fix it on brushless motor. So after fixing all the components, we move on to a circuit diagram, which is the pins of ESC to Arduino and to the potential meter. So the link of the circuit diagram is given in the description. As much I shown in the video is go long. So I move on to a programming to explain the program for you. Okay, let me start coding. Before starting the coding, we are using the servo motor concept. You can get it up. First, we want to include the servo motor library. So include servo motor library. The name of servo motor library is caps yes. So servo dot hatch the extension, and here we want to give the name of the servo motor. Okay, let me use servo. The name of the servo motor is KKR, which is my name. Okay, we have done it. And you may ask, we are giving the servo motor because we are connecting the ESC and the potential meter. We are using the concept of servo motor to control potential control brushless motor from potential meter. So we are giving void, creating a function void setup, name of the function is setup, and passing the parenthesis and giving a curly braces. Okay, within this void setup we want to declare where the ESC is attached to the Arduino. So here we are giving the command. The name of the ESC is kkr.attach. The digital pin is 9th. We already see in the video. Okay, I'm giving the same command. Okay, next you want to give a command which is kkr.write microseconds. So M in caps, microseconds is we are passing the value 1000. Okay, we passed and giving a semicolon, and here we want to declare the serial begin is the beginning of the serial monitor which you are going to see in the laptop. So it is optional. So we are giving that serial caps S, serial dot begin small b, and the serial want to begin in 9600 values. Okay, last semicolon. It's the void setup is finished, and next we are going to create a new function which is known as loop. So giving void loop and opening and closing the parenthesis and giving a curly braces, open curly braces. Okay, in this void loop we are going to declare an integer, which means int. The name of the integer is val, and we are giving a semicolon. Okay, it's done. Next we are going to give us some commands. Val equal to map. It's a basic command, map, and passing our parameters and arguments. Val comma 0 comma 1023 comma 1000 and last 2000. You may ask what these kind of stuffs in this coding. We are giving a initial value and the final value of the potentiometer, and some values 1020, 1023 and 0 are some values. Okay, next in the final we want to give a command which is KKR dot write. So the give a command which is KKR dot write. So the brushless motor want to rotate. So here KKR dot write microseconds. So giving a values in microseconds, and passing val. Okay, and giving a simple. Just one time I will explain this whole coding. First we are including the servo motor library. Next we are giving a name of the servo motor, which means name of the ESC is KKR. Next we are going to create a function which by using void. The name of the function is setup, and declaring that the ESC attached to the 9th digital pin of Arduino, and that KKR.write microseconds, giving a command and passing the values in microseconds, which means 1000, and creating a serial begin. Okay, here the spelling mistake. Okay, serial begin, CRAN. Okay, serial begin, and the frequency is 9600, and creating another function using void. The name of the function is void loop, and giving and declaring an integer val. So that's a mistake. We are not declaring the potential meter right now. So here we give that val equal to analog. I think the potential meter is connected to analog pin, which is A0 in the Arduino. Okay, analog read, R is in capital, analog read of the pin A0. Okay, anything, leave it. Okay, yes, it's fine. Let's verify the code. Okay, it's compiling.
After uploading the program to the Arduino, let's move on to testing. Just watch here. When I screw the potential meter, the brushless motor is rotating. So control brushless motor using Arduino is done. If you like this video, like, share and subscribe to Karthikeshrobotics.